Thomas Galli here. Today is a fitness talk on my channel today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make apple oatmeal with cinnamon breakfast. So any time you ever thought of building a beautiful body and during your fitness journey, the breakfast is always going to be the first meal of the day, and it all starts here. So here we have a bowl for the oatmeal, and this is the box. I get these oatmeal from Lidl's, so that's where I always get my oatmeal. And in case I finish in the cupboard, I got three of these. So I never run them out when I need to. This is the breakfast that I look at for every morning, and I think it's very delicious. Just try once it's finished. So in the bowl we're going to put let's say up to here is enough. This is enough. So just less than 100 grams of oatmeal, and we're going to fill it up with water. Just fill it up in circles so it doesn't get too bubbly. So once the water reaches this bowl, if you have this bowl of course, then you put it in the microwave. I say 5-7 minutes, so maximum temperature, and then it will be ready. So as the oatmeal is in the microwave cooking up, the second part of the breakfast, which is going to have quality protein and healthy fats. We've got 4 whole eggs, and the 4 whole eggs, I'm going to salt them with this pink Himalayan salt. And we got some light fry spray. So oh, I forgot one ingredient. This one, mixed herbs. I always cook my eggs with mixed herbs. It just gives a nice hint to the taste. So just check with your hand. The pan is getting warm. So give it a shake. In case you've noticed that's my dog. So we sprinkle some herbs. So with the 4 whole eggs, we're going to put some mushrooms here. So we put 3 mushrooms. Couldn't find it. Beetroot. So the beetroot, I'm going to put it with the eggs once they're done. And oh, cool. Because the beetroot is very big, so I'm just going to cut it in half in the box. Yeah, it's pretty big as you can see. And also in the fridge keeps it nice and fresh and cold. I think beetroot for me tastes much better when it's like that. And oatmeal almost done, so just need to wait. So the oatmeal is done, and now we're going to put the cooked apple inside. So the eggs are almost done. As the oatmeal started cooking, these eggs are nearly getting there to a nicely cooked point. I think they're done. Yeah, they're done. So once the egg is almost done, put the Himalayan salt. Turn off the pan. Give it a little mix. Yeah. Alright, this is ready to be served. That's the first part of the breakfast. So as the eggs have been served, now I'm going to put cinnamon. So just a dash of cinnamon on the top. Yeah, that's plenty. Quite a lot of cinnamon over there. So, and I use stevia sweetener. It always gives a lovely taste, lovely sweetness to my oatmeal at breakfast. It curbs a lot my sweet tooth. And I can't open the bag. Oh, here we are. So I'm going to put like simmer, a little dash on the top, which is plenty. And here we got cooked apple. So took it out from the fridge, and with the heat of the oatmeal and the cool and chill of the apple, it's going to create a nice combination of temperatures. So I'm going to put a bit of apple in here. And as we mixed all the ingredients, we're going to mix it all together. So as it's stirred, we put it again in a microwave, and we're going to do a same temperature, 1 to 2 minutes, let's say a minute and a half, and then it's going to be done. Oats are done. Yeah, just how it should look like. So just put the blueberries. Breakfast is done. It's ready to serve. So this is the end product. As we can see, we have 4 whole eggs and half a beetroot and a couple of mushrooms over there. And right here we have a bowl of oatmeal, blueberries, apple and cinnamon on the top. We'll just give it a little stir over there. Give it a nice texture. So this is the breakfast that I always look for out in the morning, and I don't always have the same things, but for me this is what works for me. You don't have to do the same recipe that I did. This is something that I always look for in the morning. It's tasty and delicious, and I always get hungry in the morning, and I think this for the day really satiates me, gives me a lot of energy to follow my fitness goals. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Does taste good.